Hey, welcome to Mercy Couture Wigs YouTube channel. All right, so we have everything wigs that you need. Here tutorials, behind the scenes footage. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below, mercycouturewigs.com. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little different because I'm changing everything. All right, so I'm changing this room and I am going to brighten this wall up. I am going to paint this whole thing all over again. All right, so that way I can have one cohesive look because I changed my brand. Check out mercycouturewigs.com. We got a whole new logo, whole new website, all new wigs. We have everything that you need. So I am just going along and taking this paint, and I just had a bright idea that I just wanted to just change the look and brighten it up a little bit. That way I can have everything just feel more alive and just everything feel brighter. So this is just stage one because I am planning on moving into a bigger location. So I don't want to really do too much over here where I have to like redo once I break everything down because I don't want to mess up my walls. But this is, as you can see towards the end, my little poor lamp that I use. Oh my gosh, please pardon me. That lamp is from, I think the lamp is from when I was in college. Okay, that lamp is hella old, but it still works. And if anybody remembers IKEA's lamps, yes, they were popping, but that was before you had Wayfair and a whole heap of Amazon. So now you can just buy anything over there. So I am taking some regular white glossy paint, which at first I was trying to figure out if I want to do some like matte paint, but I was like, hey, you never know. So we are just painting away. And I think that I wanted to add like a little shimmer to the wall, but I couldn't find it. So I think that was a good idea because I might have messed up the wall. Because I did paint my kitchen with some glitter and that didn't come out too well. But it's okay. We'll figure it out once it's time to leave. So I am just so excited for everything new that is coming out, and I just hope that you all enjoy it. Enjoy all the new videos that I'm going to make for you guys, all these new cool tutorials. I might even include some getting ready with me if you all are interested, because I do apply makeup, but still, I want to show you how I get ready with all my wigs. And that is, yes, what you saw. That's what it looked like when I added the photo. So we still got that tired behind light up, but yeah, there goes my husband fidgeting with it. I don't know what he's doing. I was trying to get rid of the light, but apparently he didn't want it. Ha! So I am now putting together a whole new lamp. Oh my God, this lamp is so pretty. I'm like so excited for this lamp. It looks, you're going to see it. It looks amazing. And it was a little difficult putting this lamp together, just to let you know. At first, I didn't know what the heck was going on and how to put the little pendants on it, but then I had to bust out the instructions. But yeah, this lamp, I got it from Amazon, and I forgot to tell you, I got the paint from Home Depot. The paint was a little pricey. I think it cost like $30 for a gallon, which I didn't really need a whole gallon. I should have just bought a quart. That would have sufficed. So I do have a whole bunch of paint, like a whole 3/4 worth of paint left. I don't know what I'm going to paint, and I'm not painting the whole room up again because that's just going to be ridiculous. So we are now putting this lamp together. This lamp, like I said, I got it from Amazon. I think the lamp cost between maybe under $30, but it wasn't an expensive lamp, but it's really, really pretty. And I think they're making these new lamps now where it's Velcro around the lampshade. So I guess you could take it on and off and do whatever you need to do with it, maybe clean it, I don't know, or just replace the lampshade completely. But yes, so this was a little confusing because I didn't realize, you got long and short diamond, I don't know what you call those things, pendants. But yeah, so I had to take them out and redo it, but it's okay because, you know, practice makes perfect. So the next lamp that I get, yes, I'll know exactly what to do. And we are almost done here. It is going to look amazing. Like, I do want to add some shelves, but we'll see, all right, if it's going to be too cluttered, because I don't want everything to look cluttered, especially when I'm doing my videos. But this lamp right now it's coming along. Hopefully we'll hurry up and get it along soon. Yeah, guys, so I'm so excited that you can, witness me doing this and that you could be a part of my journey. It's not that much. I know it's not. It's little, but it's a little goes a long, long way. So I just actually had to decide whether I was going to put that lamp, and I just probably gave up because I was hella tired. So later, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe down below.